Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself, CSK Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, today we will start the next lesson, that is cash flow statement from part B of analysis of financial statements. From this lesson, in CBSE, you would have the 8 marks question, and out of 8 marks question, generally 6 mark question is of numerical and 2 marks question is of theoretical question. So let's understand this very important lesson. This lesson is important also not only from the theoretical point of view but also from the practical point of view. But first of all, we start understanding what cash flow statement is and what is the need of preparation of this cash flow statement. Also, what are the objectives of cash flow statement and what is the need or what type of the uses or significance of cash flow statement is. So we start with the meaning of the term cash flow statement. See here that in this title of this lesson, cash flow statement, there are 3 words. One is cash, other is flow, and other is statement. Let's understand the meaning of all 3 terms. First, with reference to this lesson, the word cash means cash and cash equivalents. We will discuss in detail about the meaning of cash and cash equivalents. Dear students, you know that the term cash had the number of the meanings depending upon where we are applying this word. With reference to this lesson of cash flow statement, here the meaning of the cash word is cash and cash equivalents. Second word is flow. Flow means change and statement means a statement or a report. Now let's understand the meaning of the word cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement or a report which shows the changes in the position of cash and cash equivalents over a period of time. Once again, cash flow statement means a statement or a report which shows the changes in the position of cash and cash equivalents over a period of time. See, there are number of tools. When we had discussed the lesson of ratio analysis, I share with you that in order to analyze the financial statement, various tools are used, and those tools include ratio analysis, cash flow statement, funds flow statement, input-output analysis, comparative statements, common size statement, and so on. So out of the different tools which are used for the analysis of financial statement, one very important tool is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is also known as with the other name, that is the statement of changes in financial position, or very important word, that inflow and outflow of the cash inflow and outflow. Inflow and outflow of the inflow and outflow of the cash position over a period of time. So here let's understand what is to be done with reference to this lesson.